Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Fortnite. Whenever you launch and try to play the game, you got the error matchmaking with error code 1. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, go ahead and launch the game. Under the game, click on your icon, scroll down and click on the option settings. Now again click on the settings available over here. Here, click on this gear icon. Under the matchmaking region, first of all, choose the option auto as it is available right over here. Now, if you have already selected the auto, go ahead and change it to an AWS. Once it is selected, go ahead and hit apply settings. Now again go ahead, hit back and try to play the game again to resolve the issue of error code 1 with Fortnite. If this failed to work out, in next step, I have a simple tip for you. If you are in the party, just go ahead and everybody have to unready first of all. Make sure everybody must be unready, and once everybody is unready, go ahead and let the party leader ready first. Once the party leader ready, then go ahead and everybody else ready and then hit the play option, and this will fix out the issue of matchmaking error 1. If this method failed to work out, in next step simply go ahead and reboot your router. Simply rebooting the router will help you fix out the issue of Fortnite matchmaking error code 1. While rebooting, make sure turn off your router, wait for at least 30 to 40 seconds and then restart your router again. If this also failed, again head over to the settings menu, click on settings and over here choose account and privacy. Scroll down and under the gameplay privacy you will find the option of cross platform. If you have turned it off, you need to turn it on. I do not have an console, that's why the option is not showing, but under the gameplay privacy the option of turning on or off the cross platform will be available right over here. So you need to turn on the gameplay, then hit the save changes and then hit the back button and hit the play option to fix out the issue of matchmaking error in Fortnite. If this also failed, click on this play option available right over here, scroll down and click on the option custom key. Over here, if you have entered any custom key, whatever key you have written right over here, just go ahead and hit the backspace button to remove the custom key available over here. Then hit the accept option. Now go ahead and hit the play option to fix out the issue of Fortnite matchmaking error code 1. Now if all the method doesn't work out, the last hope you have is to go ahead, select the game and click on the option solo. In this right pane under the team fill, go ahead and click on the option no fill. From here you have changed the mode from fill to no fill. Just go back and then hit the play option and this will completely fix out the issue of Fortnite matchmaking error 1. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.